guys, today we're opening day number 7. Wow! It is Friday for me, so yay! Weekend, yay! Now tomorrow I'm gonna open it way earlier than all the other days. Isn't this exciting? Whoa! So, I guess we should open this now. Okay, so today is day number 7. So we are opening day number 7. We got a character! We finally got a new character! Ellie, you have a surprise. Who is it? It's Susie Sheep! Yay! And I'm going to show you a comparison with the pajama Susie Sheep from last year from the Advent calendar comparing to the one from this year. So this one from this year, and this is the one from last year. They totally have a big difference. Her colors are orange and white, while her colors are red and white. She has sleeves. She doesn't, and she has like something on her shirt, but she doesn't. They're both shoeless, and let's see if they have the same articulation. So if we move their hand, whoa! Okay, so that's cool. That's cool with Susie. But the one from last year, if you moved both of their hands, it would be like this. So, like how they did an update. Well, Susie from this year, you have to go, or we will be confused. Yep. Well, this was fun opening. We got a new character today, which was really exciting. So I think that was today for today's video. I didn't open it back from last year, so that was fun for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. So yeah, the video really fun. And remember, I'll be opening every single day of December, except till December 25th. There's a key. Go! I can't hug you. I ate chocolate today. Wow! So, yeah. I got an A on my spelling test today. So I think that's today for today's video. Hope you enjoy. See you next time. Bye.